Good morning, class. We're going to continue the lesson 3 from chapter 7, solve and write subtraction equations. How do we solve subtraction equations? By finding the value of x or any variable. It doesn't have to be x. Okay, so we're going to look at this method 2. We have x minus 2 equals 3. Okay, so the first step is to bring the 2, whatever number is next to the variable, we have to move this to the other side of the equal sign. So look at the operation. If this is a negative operation, a minus operation, subtraction operation, we're always going to do the opposite. We're going to do the opposite, so opposite of subtraction is going to be addition. When I do the opposite operation, that balances out on both sides. So if I have subtraction on this side, I'm going to have addition on this side. And the other way around. If I have addition on this side, I'm going to make subtraction on this side, okay? So it like balances each other out. So because the equal sign means that they both should be balanced and equal. Okay, so when I have the negative 2 plus 2, this is going to be 0. Any number that has opposite signs and it's the same number is going to be equal to 0. So I'm going to cross this out. I cancel it out. It's going to be gone. It's going to disappear. So what are we left with on this side? We have x. And what are we left on this side? 3 plus 2 equals 5. If I want to check it, I will always use the original equation that we started with. So it's going to be x minus 2 equals 3. Now I'm going to substitute the x for the 5 that we just solved for. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. And on this side, we already have 3. We just bring it down. So 3 equals 3 is correct. Okay, I want to do another example for you. Okay, so we have minus 1 here. So I have to keep the c by itself. So this is a minus. I'm going to do the opposite operation. I'm going to add 1 on this side. I'm going to add 1 here. And then I'm going to add 1 here. Okay. So now I told you this one is going to be 0. Any number that has a negative here and then a positive and it's the same number is going to be 0. So what do I have left on this side? I have c. And on this side, I have 8 plus 1 equals 9. Okay, I want to check it. If I want to check it, I'm going to use the original equation. What was the original equation? C minus 1 equals 8. So c equals 9. I'm going to substitute it for here. I get 9 minus 1 equals 8 on this side. 9 minus 1 equals 8. This side is equal to 8. They're both equal. That means the answer is correct. Okay, now I have this one also. You're going to do the same thing. It doesn't matter which side is the variable. It could be on the left. It could be on the right. So I want to move the 3 or whatever's next to the variable. So I'm going to make it a positive 3 or plus 3. Add 3 on this side. Add 3 on this side. This is going to be 0. G equals 4. Okay, what's the original equation? 1 equals G minus 3. G is what? G is 4. Right here. We already found that. Minus 3. 1 on this side. So 1 equals 4 minus 3 equals 1. Okay. Let me do 1 and I'm going to make the answer wrong. C minus 3 equals 7. Okay, let's see. I put 3 here plus 3 here. This is going to be 0, 0. C. Let's say I added it wrong. I said this is 11. C equals 11. Okay, I'm going to check it here. Use the original equation. C minus 3 equals 7. 11 minus 3, I guess 7 on this side. 11 minus 3 is what? 8. Is 8 equals 7? No, that's wrong. So you know that your answer is wrong. You have to go back and start again and find the correct answer. Okay, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope that you understand the lesson. If you don't, you can always send me. Okay, till next time I see you. Bye.